This time on One Man's Trash, I take what once was one man's trash and try to make it a treasure again. Alright, so this is 2006 Bombardier DS90 I picked up for $100 a couple years ago. And when I bought it, it wasn't running, electrical issue. Turned out the only thing wrong with it was that button didn't work. So instead of trying to find a new button, I just got a new one over here. So now to start it, you just push that instead of the old yellow one. But so that's all I got into it really, other than I picked up some 2 wheels for $10 on Marketplace. So it was pink when I bought it. I rattle canned it red, or rattle canned it black, and then son got T-boned, so all the plastics are cracked and paint's peeling off. So I'm gonna start over on the paint, get it back to plastic, and repaint it and fix some of the cracked plastic. there we have it. $100 quad, $2 toggle switch, $10 rims and tires, and maybe $10 in paint and supplies. And came out pretty darn good. Alright, thanks for watching. If you enjoy watching these kind of videos, please subscribe.